This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Haxshadow. In today's video, we're going to talk about Claude's brand new AI model, which was launched just a short while ago, Claude Fable 5. The catch is that most users can't access it for free right now. If you head over to the Claude website, you'll notice that this new model isn't included in the free tier. So at the moment, free users won't be able to try it out without the required access or subscription.
But don't worry, we're going to see how you may be able to use it without paying. The first step is to head over to GitLab and create an account if you don't already have one. Let's jump in, and I'll walk you through the account creation process step by step.
I'm not going to cover every single step of creating an account here because it's pretty straightforward. If you've signed up for websites before, the process is almost the same. Just use your Gmail or any valid email address, follow the registration prompts, and create your account. Once that's done, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. After verifying your account, you'll be asked to fill in a few basic details. You can complete those however you prefer. There's nothing complicated or unusual about this step. Just follow the on-screen prompts, submit the required information, and you'll be ready to continue. Once you've completed everything, you should see a dashboard that looks like this. Take a look at the corner of the screen where I'm pointing with my mouse. Click that icon to expand the menu. After it opens, you'll see an option labeled Free Trial. Click on it, and a new prompt or request window should appear on your screen. From there, you can simply follow the next steps shown. As you can see, the feature is now activated on our account. That means we now have access and can start using Claude Fable 5. From here, you can open the model and begin testing its features to see what it can do. We've tested it through the chat interface, and as you can see, everything is working as expected. Now, let's take it one step further and integrate it directly into Visual Studio Code. This will allow us to use the model right inside our coding environment, making development much faster and more convenient. Let's walk through the setup process step by step and get everything configured inside VS Code. The first step is to configure your GitLab Duo settings. Go to the settings and select GitLab Duo Core as your preferred option. Then set GitLab Duo availability to always on and make sure feature previews is enabled. After that, the remaining configuration takes place inside Visual Studio Code. Simply follow the on-screen steps to adjust the required settings, and everything should be ready to use. Let's go through the VS Code setup together and make sure everything is configured correctly. The first thing we need to do is install the GitLab extension in Visual Studio Code. Once the extension is installed, we'll sign in to our GitLab account and make sure everything is connected properly. After that, we'll explore how to use its AI features directly inside VS Code and see how it can help with coding, code suggestions, debugging, and other development tasks. Let's install the extension and get everything up and running. Make sure to follow each setup step carefully. These configuration steps are important, and if you miss even a small setting, the extension may not work correctly, or you might not be able to use the AI coding features inside VS Code. So take your time, watch each step closely and configure everything exactly as shown on the screen. Once everything is set up properly, you'll be ready to start coding with AI assistance. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a comment telling me what kind of videos you want to see next.